Makeup is an art of contrast, and the fall-winter collection reflects delicately this balance between strength and softness, light and shade. I begin by using the brush L'Estompeur to sweep lightly the grey-blue eyeshadow across the eyelid. It's a soft and subtle color, which creates the perfect base. Next, I add definition by applying the eye pencil in raisin to the inner and outer corners of the eyes. Now, with the Nomad brush, I apply the deep violet color along the upper lash line, creating a strong and graphic expression. With the finger, I add a touch of golden shimmer onto the center of the eyelid. It glistens as it catches the light, creating more dimension. A coat of mascara in Noir Fusain completes the gaze, adding depth and drama. For the lips, I choose Rose et Pur. Applied lightly and then blended with the fingers, it melts into the lips, creating a soft, ethereal finish. The result? A subtle yet striking look. Pure contrast, pure magic. This is Hermès.